Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes Pinoy style, easy method. Start by whisking flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. In a separate bowl, beat 1 egg with milk until well combined, then pour into the dry mix and stir gently until just combined. Fold in mashed banana or evaporated milk for extra richness, and rest the batter 5 minutes before cooking. Let me walk you through mixing and resting so your pancakes turn out tender and fluffy. After combining wet and dry ingredients, stir just until the ingredients come together. Small lumps are okay. Cover the batter and let it rest 5 to 10 minutes so the flour hydrates and gluten relaxes. This step helps create a softer interior and better rise when cooking, giving you classic Pinoy pancakes. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy recipes for you. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book that can truly change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it somehow pairs well with lazy weekend pancake mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, give it a look. Now let's get back to the video. Now for cooking tips to get golden, tender pancakes every time. Heat a non-stick pan over medium and wipe a little oil across the surface for even browning. Use a small ladle or measuring cup to pour consistent rounds and watch the surface for bubbles that pop and set edges. Flip quickly and gently once those signs appear, then cook briefly on the second side to keep the center soft and fluffy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.